Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will guide you if your battery health is decreasing gradually and you don't know how to fix this problem and you still finding out the solution, then you are on the right place. I will guide you all the steps, but first hit the subscribe button down below. It's really helped me out. Thanks guys. Now firstly open up your settings. Here is the battery option, just tap on it. Never ever turn on this low power mode. If you turn on, then your battery health will badly damage. So never ever turn on this low power mode, but if you turn on, your battery damage very badly and there is no solution to fix it. Okay, so turn off this option right now. I hope you like my video. If you have any question, just comment down below and here to go, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.